Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting and innovative product to talk about: the Smart Scanner Pen by ViaGasaFamido. The Smart Scanner Pen is designed to help kids improve their English learning proficiency. It's an excellent tool for achieving preschool English enlightenment and fostering independent reading in children. Let's dive into some key features. One of the standout features of this device is its ability to scan texts and various books. It's convenient and practical, making it a perfect companion for students. Whether it's textbooks or storybooks, this scanner pen has got you covered. Not only can it scan, but it can also translate. The Smart Scanner Pen supports full sentence and line-breaking translation, ensuring efficient scanning and seamless language learning. It's a valuable tool for those looking to learn new languages or improve their translation skills. Worried about power? Don't be. This smart scanner comes with a built-in 650 mAh lithium battery and a Type-C charging interface. It's portable and can be used anytime, anywhere, making it a versatile tool for learning on the go. The Smart Scanner Pen features an ABS environmentally friendly shell that's both impact and wear resistant. It also boasts a high-definition eye protection touchscreen, ensuring your child's safety and comfort while using it. Let's take a quick look at the specifications. It has a 600 dpi resolution, compatible with Windows 7, and comes with 4 GB of memory. The package includes the Smart Scanner Pen and a charging cable. If you're interested in similar products, we've listed some related options available on the market. You can check them out as well. In conclusion, the Smart Scanner Pen by ViaGasaFamido is a fantastic tool to enhance your child's English learning experience. With its book scanning, translation, and portability features, it's a valuable asset for students and language enthusiasts alike. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this product, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.